Spin round the colors spin, rainbow wheel says let's begin. Spin, spin, spin so bright, colors shining in the light.
Red, red, what do I see? A red lion waving at me. Red wheel spinning round and round. Roar, roar, what a sound! Red like apples, red like a rose. Red is bright from head to toes.
Blue the elephant. Blue, blue, look up high. Blue elephant sprays the sky. Blue wheel turning smooth and slow. Splash, splash, watch it go.
Blue like water, blue like sky. Wave hello and say hi, hi!
Yellow, yellow duck. Yellow, yellow, shiny sun. Yellow duck says quack, let's run. Yellow wheel spinning bright. Glow, glow, such a sight.
Yellow like sunshine in the day. Flap your wings and shout, hooray!
Gray, green fun.
Green, green, hop with me. Green frog jumps, 1, 2, 3. Green wheel rolling on the grass. Hop, hop, jump so fast.
Green like leaves on every tree. Croak hello, ribbit with me. Pebble, pebble, purple butterfly.
Purple, purple, flutter by. Purple butterfly in the sky. Purple wheel twirls around. Soft, soft, without a sound.
Purple like flowers bright. Twinkle, sparkle in the light. Spin, spin, colors bright. Dancing in the sunny light. Red and blue and yellow too. Green and purple just for you.
Round and round we whirl and play. Color wheels save the day. Spin, spin, hip hooray. See you next time. Yay, yay, yay!